How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Medal TV not launching. So when you encounter this problem, this only means one thing, is that you have a corrupted application data. And before you go ahead and do anything else, just head over to Medal TV. So you could simply search it up on your start menu, and then you could check whether you could run the application by clicking the run as administrator option. So just go ahead and click on this option right here and check whether it will open up or not. The other thing that you could go ahead and do is to simply navigate through properties, click compatibility, and just simply click on the disable full screen optimization and then run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. This will actually go ahead and change some options on Medal.tv. So if there's some errors or if there are problems opening the application, this will then run it into a different option or different setup. So you could go ahead and check whether it actually opened up. From there, if none of that work, you could head over to the add or remove programs, because we actually have to completely uninstall Medal TV. Therefore, we could install a fresh copy that without any problems. So just click on the uninstall button right here, head over to the official webpage of Medal TV, and you want to go ahead and get yourselves a new one. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.